joining me today in one of my gardening projects. I am passionate about growing veggies, fruits, and my herbs. And I was struggling a little bit because I have so many pots, as you can see. So I create this amazing vertical herb pot. You can have all your herbs all together. And the thing is that I separate them. I put a compartments to separate each herb so they don't mix the roots, and support for my rosemary, and I will show you how to do that. You can put three, four, five herbs, depends on the size of your pot, and finally a rosemary. Okay, so come with me and I will show you. You can see I have cilantro, I have garlic, basil, and parsley, and my amazing rosemary. All together. It's super easy and convenient. I just come and grab a little bit when I need, and it's super pretty. I hope you like it. If you are not subscribed yet, please click the button and enable the ring bell. I will be so happy to see you in my channel. I will be posting ideas for your garden and patio.